And this is what we have right now. Simple little post in the ground, a little T-section, and some cable which is stretched, and as you can see, nothing is even close to being held up right. So, I have an idea. Let's see if we can fix it. So my brother gave me some of his wood. So I got some scrap wood from my brother. It looked like this, beat up, twisted, kind of junky. I cleaned it up, sanded it, cut off some of the rough stuff, and this should be good enough to use for this project. Well, this is what I got now. I think this will work a little better than before. You can see here I got a little support cable back to the garage. And get my little shadow out of there. Just attach it up to the garage with one of those brackets down there. And you can see through the mess. Still need to clean these up yet, take all the dead shoots out. Make room for the new ones, but this should work much better. It's a little bit of a bow out on this line, but if I pull any harder, I'm afraid I'm going to break something. So, but it works. Hopefully this inspires you to do something. Thanks for watching.